Hey friends, if you wish to run IPconfig all commands, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. You may also run the normal one if you just want the details. You don't need to open it as an administrator in that case, but it's your choice. So type IPconfig space / all and hit enter and you will get complete details. Okay, so if you check through all of these details, it will tell you the IP configuration, the DNS, it will tell you all the details. Okay, and you'll find it under the wireless LAN adapter settings as well, including the MAC address and the name and the IP address and everything, and the DNS server. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.